Hi, my name is George Longhead, and I'm going to teach you how to ollie with my friend. I'm going to pick this board because it's my board. So I'm going to teach you how to ollie. First thing you're going to do is you're going to want to put your board down. So the first thing, you're going to put your foot here. After you do that, you're going to put your foot there, and then you're going to put your foot here on the tail so you can pop it. Once you pop it, you're going to slide it, okay? So, look. Okay, that's mostly what I have to do. And let me show you a slow-mo. So, here. Mostly like that, but you're going to want to, like, you want to put your foot here. Once you pop it, you're going to slide. That's going to, like, pick it up. So, you know.
Do it over there.
Okay. So now my friend is gonna teach you how to do it.
Hey, I'm gonna teach you my basic steps of how to do it. I'm gonna grab another board. I'm gonna grab probably this element. I'll go with this one. And first, what you basically do when you start off with your ollie, you want to go between, like let's say you have one of these writings. If you don't, just go between the bolts and between the half. And this is where you start at first. You start off from the side over there. And then when you get better at that, you start from like halfway. So you could do ollie, or when you ollie like over like sidewalks, or like you start from half here. And that's a high ollie. And the basic steps is this one. You go like that. You have to pop it like that. See? I just showed it with my hand. You have to go like that. Slide this way. So that's what it should look like. And you have to slide your up to like the bolts. If you go from half, slide up to the bolts. Alright, peace out.